If you are one with the sun, you take care of yourself and the people you love. You are the guardian of mankind. You will fight with the odds for freedom, and you also got to fight against evil. You will be part of Team of the Angels, one of the rarest species of this planet. If you feel the most dangerous threats, you will do your utmost to stay strong for your family. Cover the area around your eyes with concealer. Use a foundation that suits your skin color. Take some darker powder to make your cheekbones pop. Now, use some highlighter and make your cheekbones, nose, forehead and chin sparkle. For the eyes, use some white eyeshadow for the inner part and gold eyeshadow for the lid. If you want, you can make a pointy smoky eye using some orange and red eyeshadow. Paint the wing shape using eyeliner. Draw a triangular shape under your eye using a skewed edge brush with yellow or light orange eyeshadow. Give it some depth by adding some red. Take some eyeliner and paint a line and a few thick lashes on your lash line. Use some white eyeliner and paint around the painted lash line. Then, draw a line downwards and make a half circle. Repeat this twice. When this is finished, take some pearl stickers and stick them on the end of the lines. For the lips, use a gold lipstick. Then, to finish up the lips, take the white eyeliner from before and paint 3 dots. Draw a vertical eye shape using a white pencil. The easiest way to do this is while sitting in front of a mirror. Take a gold dotted sticker and place this in the middle of the eye. Take some red body paint and paint a line around the eye. Using some yellow body paint, paint around the red and paint some star-shaped arms. I made the golden flowers for the headpiece out of paper. You can find several tutorials on YouTube. I used paper flower rose DIY tutorial. I will put a link in the description so you will be able to follow it yourself. You are finished. I hope you've enjoyed my video. Remember to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with my uploads. See you later. Bye!